Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, how you doing? I've got another fufu for you. Another gist, and this time around is a monarch that is in the news. Is Oba Oluwo of Iwo, Abdulrasheed Adewale Akanbi. Yes, right now as we speak, it's no longer in Nigeria. The Oba took to his social media page and writes, despite effort to make a short private visit, he said he received a royal welcome from eminent Yoruba sons and daughter in London. Yes, it's not in Nigeria, it's in London with talking drum. Royalty. When we speak of royalty, we have to, appreciate them. We have to, pay obeisance. We have to give them the respect. So he said, what a rich demonstration of Yoruba culture. In fact, Yoruba culture is the sweetest among the tribe in Nigeria. Don't mind me, I'm a Yoruba girl, so that's why I'm, now. That's why I have to support Yoruba. Yoruba is rich in culture, in tradition, in everything, now. So we have to respect our Oba. Oluwo of Iwo, you're welcome to London. Yes. And we're expecting you back to Nigeria. When you come back, we'll come and collect goodies. Okay? That's it about Oba Oluwo of Iwo, Oba Abdulrasheed Adewale Akanbi. That's it about him, guys.